To change theme on POCO X7 Pro, start by opening settings. By the way, you have to be connected into the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And now you will have to navigate into personalization. In this place, you can actually find themes. So once you actually open it, I can recommend you to click on the search bar and input this phrase 3. So now we can find a lot of different, I want to say themes for sure, but they are free also. So in my case, I would like to get, for example, this one, and I'm gonna click download. And after the loading process, you have to click apply. So just wait for it, click apply, tap to apply, and now, as you can see, the theme has changed. So yeah, that will be all.